flood watch for portions of Ohio and northwest Pennsylvania, including the following areas in Ohio: Ashland, Ashtabula Inland, Ashtabula Lakeshore, Crawford, Cuyahoga, Erie, Ohio, Geauga, Hancock, Holmes, Giron, Knox, Lake, Lorraine, Lucas, Mahoning, Marion, Medina, Oro, Ottawa, Portage, Richland, Sandusky, Seneca, Stark, Summit, Trumbull, Wayne, Wood and Wyandotte. In northwest Pennsylvania, Crawford, Pennsylvania, northern Erie and southern Erie. Through Tuesday evening, a widespread 1 to 2 inches fell across the forecast area this evening. More rain is expected overnight with another round of thunderstorms expected Tuesday afternoon and evening. With the ground being saturated, any additional heavy rain could cause quick runoff. Low-lying and poor drainage areas might flood. If you live near a creek or small stream, be alert for quickly rising water levels. A flash flood watch means the threat of flash flooding exists along rivers and creeks. If you are in the wash area, you should monitor weather conditions closely. Be ready to move to higher ground if flooding is observed or a warning is issued. Stay tuned to Weather Radio for further updates.